The summer months between Memorial Day and Labor Day are considered especially risky due to the number of new teenage drivers behind the wheel. Automobile insurance is supposed to make us feel safe and protected, but that may not always be the case. Joining us today is Gary Jodat from the Jodat Law Group. Who's that? Jodat!
We're waiting for that.
Welcome, Gary. Oh, that is a great slogan. How could we ever forget? Is your automobile insurance company your friend? We see commercials that say they are.
No, but they want you to think that they're your friend. Now, just think of the TV ads that you see. You're in good hands with Allstate. Nationwide is on your side. Like a good neighbor, a State Farm is there. And then you have a little Gecko for Geico. And then you have Flo for Progressive. But really think about it. They are companies. They have stockholders. They have to make money for their stockholders to be happy. They want the stock to go up. So the key is they want to get those premiums in, but when it comes time to paying a claim, they want to pay out very little.
Now that surprises me because I pay my insurance premiums every month, and you're telling me that they may find a way to say they don't owe me anything, or they may find a way to cut down what they're going to give me
or not
when
cover.
I really need them, or not cover at all.
Absolutely, that's what they're going to do. That's what they try to do, and the way they do that is they have people called claims adjusters, and they have claims examiners and investigators, and what they want to do is look at your medical records, which of course they're entitled to, but the reason why they're doing it is to try to find something that will make your case a little weaker.
That's not fair.
No, it's not. So are there right and wrong ways to answer the questions
what should we
then
do?
when the adjusters come talking?
Absolutely. And you know what the answer to the question should be?
What?
Let me talk to my lawyer. So that's the key to that. Now, they also have a code that they're supposed to go by, and that's called the Adjuster's Code of Ethics. And we really want to look at letter K. And letter K says, an adjuster shall not advise a claimant to refrain from seeking legal advice, nor advise against the retention of counsel to protect the claimant's interest. And I'm only bringing this up because that's the business I'm in. And I have clients come to me all the time that have talked to their insurance companies, and they say, well, my insurance adjuster said not to hire a lawyer, not to talk to a lawyer. And that's just plain wrong.
They can't do that.
They can't do that.
So-
they do it, but they're not supposed to do it.
What can I do to protect myself?
Yeah.
Well, first of all, if you're in an automobile accident and you're injured, then don't be one of those people that, well, I'm going to wait. I'm going to see how my injuries pan out, because there are timelines on things. So what you do is you go to the doctor or you go to the hospital, and your insurance card has what's called Pip Insurance, and that pays for your medical treatment. And see a lawyer.
How
See
soon
a
do I
good
call
person-
you?
If you're injured in an accident, you do it immediately.
Wow.
Because we're on your side, and we don't get paid unless we get a satisfactory settlement, either through negotiations or trial.
I
That
like
means you're
that.
working
I
for
like
us.
that. Jodatlawgroup.com. Give them a call when you're in an accident, or maybe before you are, so you're ready for all of this. Because it's going to happen, guys. And coming up next, we're going to have some tech news that may cause you to sit down your phone next time you're at a concert.